Hi baby, are you ready? Well done, baby. Let's look at the ingredients. Some risotto rice, some greens, this time I use choy sum, an onion, some mushrooms, shrimps, scallops, butter, and chicken stock. Measure 2 cups of risotto rice. Then soak the rice in water for about an hour. For the choy sums, remove the leaves. I just used the stems. Keep the leaves for other uses. Don't throw them away. Then wash the stems clean and chop them into pieces. Next, preparing the mushrooms. Cut off the bottom part and throw it away. Wash the mushrooms clean in a sieve and drain away the water. Now let's handle the shrimps. I cut it open at the back, but you can skip this if you don't like doing this. If any intestines are found, remove them. Next, chop the onion into tiny pieces. Let me show you how to do this well. Now, we are going to season the shrimps and scallops. First, wipe away the excess water by a kitchen towel. Season them with a pinch of salt and some white pepper powder. Then mix well. For the chicken stock, you can use any stock you like. This time, I use half cup of concentrated chicken stock and dissolve it in 2 cups of hot water. Lastly, cut out 10 grams of butter. You can use more or you can skip it. Stir-fry the mushrooms without adding any oil in order to make them sweat. You see, the mushrooms really sweat a lot. Now, we are going to fry the seafood. Right before frying them, coat them with a thin layer of cornstarch. Turn on medium heat. Add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Fry the scallops and shrimps. When both sides are golden brown, take them out and put aside. Heat up the pan over medium heat. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Sauté the onions. Then add the soaked risotto rice. Mix well. Add the chicken stock all at one time. Stir well. Then cover and cook over medium heat. Check after about 5 minutes. If it is dry, add some hot water or chicken stock. Then cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Okay. Check again. Taste it. If it is half cooked, then can add other ingredients. First, add choice mushrooms and mix well. Actually, you can use any other greens that you like. Anytime you find it dry, just add hot water or stock. But just add a little at a time. Don't add too much. Now, add the scallops and shrimps. One more ingredient to add, that's mushrooms. One more step to go, that's seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of cream. You can add more, or you may skip it. Then add butter. You can add cheese as well if you like. It's better to try the taste before you add salt. Then add some salt. Just a little sugar. Then ground some black pepper. Mix well and spread the rice evenly in the pan. The rice is done. Turn the heat off. Sprinkle some basil on top of the rice. Cover it and leave the risotto to sit for a few minutes. Wow, it's done! Yummy! Hope you like this recipe. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.